The Galaxy Note is one of the most adventurous smartphones by Samsung, and it's the one most beloved by its users.
I absolutely love
Note series, Note and S Pen.
Performance.
Camera, bigger screen.
Great.
I love this device so much.
Always packed with pioneering new ideas, the Galaxy Note created more innovative experiences year by year. But have you ever stopped to think where all those new ideas come from? They all come from you. Bringing your thoughts into our technology means listening to your voices. We do meetings, calls, interviews, polls, tests, and trials to turn them all into valuable data about you. We also look through hundreds of platforms gathering feedback from users, like Samsung members. You may not believe it, but we really do analyze every single comment and share them internally. Why do we do it?
So we can develop,
Plan,
Design.
A whole new kind of user experience. Galaxy Note and S Pen were born to respond to users' needs. We knew people would want a large screen smartphone with a pen inside because they are watching more online video than ever before. As engineers, our job was to realize this vision through intensive research and development. And so in 2011,
tasks of smartphones and the mobile tablet into one device.
created a new category of phablet.
over the past 9 years, the S Pen has been reimagined as a truly powerful device. In the early years of its development, we wanted to keep satisfying those who say that, I like writing with the S Pen. So our primary goal was to provide a better feel to the writing and achieved improved recognition.
But if you've been watching how it's developed since then, you'll know it's no ordinary digital pen. We introduced AirView, which enables the viewing of additional content by hovering the S Pen over the screen. The Air command gave an instant reading of available tasks, while the Smart Select received much praise for providing more freedom in doing screen captures. We also added a translation feature, which students really loved. And there's Action Link that turns handwritten notes into action for immediate use. But you kept telling us that the S Pen could be something more than that. We've listened to your thoughts, and some of them really surprised us.
In a survey of Note 8 users, the S Pen was one of the highest ranked reasons why they bought the Galaxy Note. But actual usage patterns showed that only 65% were using the S Pen. And then we thought, if we could make the technology work, Bluetooth would be a great way to encourage more users to take out the S Pen. So starting with the Note 9, the S Pen can be used as a camera remote, content controller, and presentation clicker.
Air actions with Bluetooth.
Capture photographs on your device.
Or even using it with Air Command for zooming in and out.
Making for a completely new experience.
But hold on a second. In such a sea of voices, some things are going to be lost. How can we deal with a huge range of user preferences? For example, the colors.
Black. Aura Glow.
Bleu Cobalt.
En blanc.
En noir.
Onyx Black.
Or black.
Prism white.
And purple.
Talking about the design, there's actually a huge spectrum of needs among our users. If we make something strong, some want it gentle. If it's cold, some like it hot. And if it's simple, some want it flashy.
While maintaining a design that is unique, our mission is also to blend a huge number of preferences and trends into a single design. So we engage in a truly endless loop of discussions and modifications until we arrive at a point where the greatest number of people can empathize with the design.
We are not in the age of single genius. We believe in democratization of design process, which is cross-functional collaboration. In our team, we have industry designer, graphic designer, CMF designer, motion media designer, fashion designer, and design strategist. How awesome is that?
Truly awesome. And this collaboration laid the groundwork for the design of the new Galaxy Note.
The Mystic Bronze of Note 20 Ultra and the Note 20 look the same, feel the same, but they're different materials made with contrasting methods. For the Note 20 Ultra, we etched the glass to create a satin finish. For the Note 20, on the other hand, we applied a special coating onto the reinforced polycarbonate surface to realize the same look and feel. This way, within a single series, we deliver the values of both premium and pragmatism. In addition to Mystic Bronze, we settled on Mystic White, Mystic Gray, Mystic Black, and Mystic Green.
So the main concept of Note 20 design is a sustainable premium, which means long-lasting elegance, neither trendy nor fleeting. We have studied on height for 4 to 5 years. For the perfect quality, Mr. Bronze was the best color to harmonize with the haze effect, and it is gender fluid and sustainable as well.
Meanwhile, our hardware and software engineers are also striving to fulfill the Note 20's unique mission from users.
We received feedback saying, I draw a line, but it appears too slowly. It was a perceptive observation that gave us a real jolt. That kind of latency is created as the pen's signal is picked up by the handset, processed by the software, and then finally drawn on the screen. One of many solutions was the AI-based point prediction. We had our system analyze tens of millions of writing and drawing samples, much more than before. Based on this, the device predicts the next expected point of the S Pen. Since the predicted point should be closer to the real next point than the last point, the process can contribute to decreasing the latency. Also, thanks to a doubling of the display's refresh rate to 120 Hz, the Note 20 screen now shows the data from the S Pen twice as frequently as the Note 10. In the end, we reduced the latency to 9 milliseconds, moving the S Pen one step closer to the natural feeling of writing on paper.
If the ultimate goal of the S Pen is to actualize the feel of an analog pen, the ultimate benefit of the Galaxy Note is digital connectivity for contemporary lifestyles.
We learned from our latest research that users jump back and forth between work and play pretty instantaneously. The desire for more seamless connectivity is growing, and because of this, the Samsung Notes team has been busier than ever.
Now you can automatically straighten your handwriting, and as with the Note 10, simply convert it to text. And later this year, Samsung Notes on the Note 20 will sync to Microsoft OneNote and Outlook on your PC. You'll literally get closer to seamless connectivity.
Handwriting on a digital screen was not a common thing 10 years ago, but now it has become a common experience. I think Galaxy Note and S Pen set a kind of new normal.
Your voices are the most important thing and keep us moving forward.
Just give us more feedback so we can make even better products for you.
Galaxy Note is my 첫사랑, which means first love in Korean.
We Samsung design everything for everyone. Trust us.
And thank you so much for letting me be a part of high refresh rate screen.